Python lists are ordered, mutable collections that can store diverse data types. They are essential for organizing and manipulating data efficiently. Lists support indexing, slicing, and various methods like append and remove, making them versatile for real-world applications. Understanding lists is crucial for mastering Python's data handling capabilities. Python's data types form the backbone of programming. Primitive types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans are essential. Collection types, including lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets, enable complex data handling. Lists, in particular, are ordered, mutable, and heterogeneous, making them versatile tools for efficient data manipulation in diverse applications. Python lists are ordered collections where items maintain their sequence, accessible via zero-based indices. They are mutable, allowing dynamic modifications like adding, removing, or changing elements. Lists can hold heterogeneous data, including numbers, strings, objects, and even nested lists, making them Python's most flexible data structure. Creating lists in Python involves using square brackets with comma-separated values. Access elements with zero-based indexing, like fruits0 for apple. Negative indexing allows access from the end, such as fruits-1 for cherry. Use slicing to extract sublists, like fruits1:3 for banana, cherry. Observe how lists are manipulated in Python. Create lists using square brackets, access elements by index, and use negative indexing to retrieve items from the end. Slicing allows extraction of sublists, as shown with fruits1:3, returning banana, cherry. These operations are foundational for efficient data handling. Let's explore essential list methods for efficient data manipulation. Use append x to add a single item to the end, and extend iterable to add multiple items. Insert I, x, places an item at a specific index. Remove x deletes the first occurrence, while pop removes and returns an item. Clear empties the list entirely. Let's explore list methods with practical examples. Start with a list. Students equals open bracket. Alice, Bob, Charlie close bracket. Use append to add Diana, extend to add open bracket. Eve, Frank close bracket, and insert to place George at index 1. Remove Bob with remove, and use pop to remove and return the last item. These methods modify lists in place efficiently.